How to gain weight? Do you know the reason behind weight loss? The factor that affect our body weight? Do you know that hormone also play important role in gaining and losing weight? Why does food taste sweet after chewing for a long time? What type of exercise increases weight and how? Hi friend, I'm your host Manima Acharya. Welcome to your channel Manas Tech. Today's topic is how can we increase our weight that nobody is going to tell you in any channel. In the last video we discussed about weight loss. For information, see in description below. Today's topic is on how to gain weight. But before starting our video, we would like to be friends with you. So if you love our video, don't forget to give thumb up, and if you are new to our channel, then don't forget to press bell icon and subscription button so that it will be easier to get notification on upcoming videos. Do you know that the number of fat people tripled from 6% to 15%, whereas the number of thin people have decreased from 14% to 9% in male, while 15% to 10% in women in recent years statistic. So it is possible to get your desired body if you are committed to follow tips that we are going to discuss today. Everyone knows a problem that arises when we are underweight, like not getting selection in army to relationship tragedy. All are depending on what appearances we have. Generally, our bodies need about 2000 to 3000 calories of energy to perform regular routine. We are unable to increase our weight if we have malnutrition, malabsorption of intestine, lower calorie intake, and abnormal function of hormones. Diseases like diabetes, TB, typhoid, HIV, cancer, etc. result in weight loss, whereas mental diseases like anorexia nervosa, stress, sleepiness, etc. results weight loss, while fasting for a long time also result weight loss. So, what can we do to increase our weight? Strong determination, patience, and work with the focus to follow the way that help to increase your body weight. I have heard that donating blood also increases weight loss, but I don't know how much genuine this information is. Following upcoming tips help you to grow your weight naturally. So without delay, let's jump to the point. Point number 1. Consult doctor for disease and hormones. This tip is not so compulsory, but if you experience drastic change in your weight within short period of time, then you must consult doctors, where doctors might recommend for you a test like hormones, thyroid, diabetes, and so on. Hormones like thyroid hormone, insulin, ghrelin, leptin, cortisol, dopamine, deficiency of testosterone, estrogen, etc. play important role in gaining and losing weight. If there is misbalance of hormone, then there will be abnormal function on our body tissue which results either in gaining and losing weight. So, proper balance between those hormones should be maintained. For example, the hormone called ghrelin produced by stomach increase hunger and fat cell promoting weight gain, whereas hyperthyroidism result weight loss. So consult doctor before doing other activities to gain weight. Point number 2. Take diet that is enriched in protein, carbohydrates and fats. Generally, to gain weight, one should have more calories of weight, about 2500 calories for female and 3000 calories for male. There are various sources of calories that we get in daily life which help to gain weight. Fast food and junk food like chocolates, chips, pizza, momo, burger, hot dogs, etc., which is unhealthy and result in gaining weight along with diseases. But we are here to increase our weight through healthy diet like fat containing milk, ghee, red milk, eggs, fruit like bananas, avocado, peanuts, almonds, rice, etc. Grain like chickpea, soybean chunks, right? You can also take a protein-rich drink and goat milk, which speed up weight gain. Having meals 4 to 5 times a day also increase weight. Remember that drinking water 1 hour before and after meal disturb digestive system. So avoid that mistake as soon as possible. Similarly, don't forget to chew your food at least 30 times before swallowing. Our saliva contains enzymes called amylase and lipase that help in digesting food quickly in the stomach. That is why our food becomes sweet after chewing it for a long time, where carbohydrates bake into maltose and glucose. To eat more, we need to be hungry. Food like yogurt, radish, salad, vitamin B1, white pastas, chocolate bars increase hunger and help to grow our weight. But before taking vitamin, please consult your doctor. Point number 3. Proper rest and sleep. If you are not getting proper rest and sleep, then you may not gain weight. Researchers have found that sleeping between 4 to 6 hours increases weight as compared to 10 hours of sleep. Lack of sleep increases metabolic activities. The sleep patterns regulate ghrelin hormone by increasing weight. So, try to take at least 4 to 6 hours of sleep and rest to promote weight gain. Don't stand for a long time as it burns more than 200 calories per hour. If possible, don't waste your time on social media. Instead, do meditation to maintain good weight. Because eyes also consume a lot of calories. Point number 4. Exercise. Do you think that exercise only decreases weight? But wait, there are some exercises which help to gain weight. Exercise like push-up, pull-up, tricep dips, hammer curls, bench press are friendly for weight gain. During regular exercise, the glucagon is stored as energy sources. This glucagon gets fused with water and gain weight. This exercise increases muscle density and make your body fit. But doing cardio or aerobic exercise might result in decreasing weight. So, following the above tips, you can definitely increase your weight naturally and easily. Results seems to come within a week. If you are determined and maintain consistency, then that day is not farther when you view a different you on the mirror as a fit and muscular. This tip is both for man and woman. And finally, don't forget to check in the description for more information. Till then, have a nice day. Bye-bye.